If you're planning to join Gemsloot, make sure to use a bonus code as it will give you the chance to win up to $250. In this video, I'll show you an exact code you can use and where to put it and what else you need to know to do it with the right expectations. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael and I have tested Gemsloot myself, and I have also withdrawn from it several times. And I have also seen one of my referrals earn over $250, so I know people are actually using it. If you've been looking into joining and want to make sure you are getting the best start, this is a quick video that will help you. I'll give you the bonus code you need, I'll show you where to enter it when you sign up, and I will also go over what you can actually get from it, so you know exactly what to expect before you claim it. So first, I just want to clarify that this is not a full Gemsloot tutorial or review, because I have that somewhere else. I'll leave a link below so you can go to my website there. You can find both it written and also a video tutorial, also where I show payment proof so you can see that I have actually been paid by it. Here, I will just focus on the bonus code and how you can claim that when joining. And it is quite easy. You just need to use a code, an invitation code when you're signing up. I'll leave my joining link below. If you click that, it will actually automatically be applied. But if you are already on the website, so I'll also just show you how you can do that and how you can also check that it actually is working. And on the website, you can just click to sign up, and then you can use an email, or you can sign up. You can see either with a Roblox account or a Google account. You will then have to send a user code that you get via email. After that, you have signed up, and to use that bonus code or to check it, if you actually join through my link, it should be automatically applied. But how to then claim it, then you need to go here to the rewards section. And you can see here is go to spin, and this is where you can then get it. If you join through my link, you will automatically be able to here open a case, because it will automatically have applied my code. If not, it will ask for a code, and then what you can just use is PFS. And you can just enter that, and then you will also get access to this. And you can see here then it says a sign up bonus, win up to $250. Of course, you have to be extremely lucky to get $250. In most cases, you will get a lot less, but you will get a reward. The minimum you can get here is, you can see $0.05, so 5 cents. All you have to do is to just click to open the case, and then it will spin. And you can see in this case here, it gave me 25 cents as a joining bonus. You can win up to $250. Of course, you should not expect that, but if you're extremely lucky, then you know, that would of course be amazing. If you decide to actually use this, I would love to hear from you. What did you actually end up getting as a joining bonus? So please share that in the comments below. But what you then also need to be aware of is that you can actually get more free cases. Many people think this is just it, but you can see here, if you then continue earning, then first, if you earn $1 within 48 hours, then you get the next case where you can spin again, and you get another chance to win here, $250, I believe it is there, and then it moves up. So then I believe the next one is, if it's $10, you then earn within the first few days or so, then it is $500. So you get a couple of chances like that. Also, the amount you need to earn to get another chance, that will increase, but if you are very active the first few days, there is a good chance that you can get several of these cases here. You can see the first one plus 3 more chances of winning a really great reward. So this is how you get the most out of the bonus code there. It's very easy to use, but even if you just join, some people are confused because they know they joined through a link and they're supposed to get this chance, but they don't even know where it is. So maybe you already a member, have been for a long time, then make sure that you actually go to this reward section and make sure that you have actually received this here, or that you have used this option. So check that out if you don't remember if you did it when you first joined Gemsloot. But that's it. Other than that, you just need to then start earning, so you can also earn enough to cash out. Just remember that it's not a way to make a living or anything like that, and it only makes sense to actually use it if you're planning to use some of the other earning methods. You can find a lot of paid gaming offers here. You can find a lot of paid surveys, different paid offers. They have leaderboard contests, all kind of different things there. Some great bonuses once in a while, but you of course need to be interested in using those options before getting the joining bonus makes sense. And you can cash out already when you earn 50 cents, depending on the cash out option you choose. It has many different ways to get paid: cash, PayPal, and it has a lot of gift cards to choose reviews from also. But as mentioned, this is not a full tutorial. If you want to learn even more about how to use it or see payment proof and all that, I'll leave a link below to a full review on my website, both a video and written review where you can also see payment proof. And as mentioned, I'll leave my link below. You can just click that, join it. That will automatically apply this bonus code. So you can just log in and go here and then open that case and get your free joining bonus. That's the fastest and easiest way to do it. So I'll leave that below so you can use it, easily get started, and then feel free to share your experiences. I love hearing about your experiences. Any questions you have, just ask below. I reply to every single comment. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.